favorites video, and for today we are doing our favorite eyeshadow palettes.
This is another collab since it was requested by a lot of people. Someone asked Sarah, some people asked me. So we thought of doing it together. We've picked out our 5 favorite eyeshadow palettes. Also, this video has a giveaway in the end which has been sponsored by a page called La Viva Glam. It's on Facebook. We'll put the link in the description box. So we'll explain the rules further along the way. Keep on watching.
So out of my 5 most favorite eyeshadow palettes, the number 1 is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Tamanna eyeshadow palette, and it released at least 2 years ago.
Yeah.
And I bought it through the same girl, Sarish Rashid, whose page is La Viva Glam. She was really sweet because this was out of stock and I got my hands on this. I was really excited. Remember I told you?
Yeah, I remember.
That I got my Tamanna eyeshadow palette, and it wasn't a wrong decision because as you can see I've already hit the pan of the shade Noir. It's my most favorite black eyeshadow ever.
It's a pretty pigmented black.
Yeah, it is. And all the shades are really pretty. I love this shade Sangria. It's also one of my favorite eyeshadows from this line. So anyways, this is highly recommended, but sadly it is out of stock. But you can buy single shades, but I had to add this one because I really love it.
Yeah. Or you can just get them off eBay if
Yeah.
they don't fool you.
Yeah.
So one of my favorite palettes is Too Faced Chocolate Bar, and she doesn't have it. I've asked her to get it. It smells like chocolate. It's so good. It actually smells like chocolate. It's so good, and it has neutral colors, a few shimmers. It's very pretty, very pigmented, and also if you're someone who's not into eye palettes or crazy eyeshadow colors, this is the one you should buy because
It's really sturdy.
yeah, and you can just carry it around, take it everywhere with you. You can travel with it. Also, you can do like multiple neutral, nice eye looks with it. So I really like it. I recommend it. The new peanut butter one or peanut something also has this really good, and they smell really nice. Too Faced always comes out with the cutest packaging and everything.
You have been telling me to get this, and I think I will
You
now.
should. It's high time.
I know.
You guys comment down below. Tell Sarah to get the Too Faced palette.
I will. It's really nice. So my next favorite eyeshadow palette is by The Balm Nude Dude, and I just bought it since it's available at my salon, Sarah Salon and Spa, and I bought it. Actually got it from my own place, but I really like, and I wonder why I did not buy this before because it's really pretty. All the shimmery shades are beautiful, the matte ones are really pigmented, and I love how versatile it is because you obviously need some neutrals, some mattes, some shimmery shades in your palette. So I think it's a perfect one for your kitty.
Yeah, it's really nice. I actually really like this one.
Yeah.
So my another favorite is again Too Faced, and it's Pretty Rebel, and
Oh my god.
this is what it looks like. I like how it has like shimmery black and blue color. They're so nice. Also, the color is called Badass and Miss Sparkles. It has the cutest names you can find, and I want you to get this too. I would tell her to get
Is it
any
available?
color. I'm not sure. I think it is. I'm gonna look it up. If it's available, I'm gonna put it in the description below. But I think it's out of stock. I'm not sure.
Let's
And
see.
it has the cutest colors. It's a bit crazy if you're not into like crazy colors, but I really like it. It's really good for good smoky eye or whatever you want to do.
I love this shade, and this is so pretty.
I know it's so pretty. It's such a pretty pink color and black
and
color.
this one too. This looks
The
really
gold is
pigmented.
really nice,
Yeah, it's
yeah.
really pretty. Anyways, guys, my third favorite eyeshadow palette is from the same brand as I mentioned before,
ABH.
Anastasia ABH, and I don't know. I'm a big fan of their eyeshadows. I think
They're
they're
really, yeah, the color payoff is really nice.
and I think their eyeshadow palettes are really thought through, and they know what shade you should add in a palette, because some palettes have a lot of shimmery shades, they don't have neutrals, then some have a lot of crease shades, then they don't have the corner shades like the blacks or nice browns. So I think this is the perfect balance, and I've been mentioning on my Snapchat ID that this is the only eyeshadow palette that I've been using these days. It's perfect to create any sort of eye because it has the perfect crease shade blended.
I've seen you use it on a lot of brides also.
Yeah, I do
Yeah.
because it's so pretty, Nirmal. I'm telling you, the pigmentation is great, and I think this is also out of stock, and I also got it from La Viva Glam. Sarish is really good that way, that she gets her hands on the most wanted stuff very quickly and easily. So as soon as this launched, I told her that I wanted and she got it for me. So thank you La Viva Glam for getting me stuff so quickly.
Okay, so my third favorite palette is Makeup Geek Mani MUA palette, and it's sold out. I'm sorry, you guys. But I heard it's coming back, so keep your eyes on it. This has these
And you can get these single pans or no?
A few of them, yes. I don't think they have the other ones available. I don't know, you can Google it. I didn't really research much. And I love the burgundy color and all these crazy colors. I'm sure most of the people don't
Mani
wear
is
this.
all about this color.
Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this color, by the way. I've worn it. I'm actually wearing this palette right now on my eyes. It's pretty versatile, it's pretty nice. I like this. I like the colors in it. It's coming back in stock soon. I asked her not to get it because I honestly thought that I would not
I
like
have
it.
so many Makeup Geek eyeshadow like this, the single pans, but she told me that don't get it, and then she got it herself. So this was really mean. And since it's out of stock, so I can't.
It's coming back. I can
I
get
hope
one
so.
for you when it comes back.
Okay, so this is live and on record that Nirmal has
I'll
told
just
me
give
that
this
she.
one to her.
Oh really? That's so sweet of you.
Not right now. Not right now.
Anyways guys, my fourth favorite eyeshadow palette is the Lorac Gold, and I think that it is absolutely beautiful just
These are
because.
really nice colors, by the way,
Yeah.
guys. I have the same one. It's an amazing palette.
Yeah, you do, I know. But anyways, I love this gold shade and this one as well. This is a little bronzy gold and this is gold. And the pigmentation is great. We all know that Lorac has the most pigmented eyeshadows ever. They're Mega Pros or they're Pros. They're all very popular, but this one was a little different and I did not have anything like this in my kitty. So I bought it and I don't regret it. It's one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes.
Yeah, and I guess if you're into golds or whatever, this should be your go-to palette because it has the most amount of golds and browns you can find.
And actually Pakistani makeup scene, you need lots of gold and glitters and silvers. I'm always in the search of nice golds. I like my
It's nice on our skin tone. It just looks good.
I think the Pakistani makeup scene is all about gold and bronze and shimmery shades, and you should have some really nice golds in your kitty.
Because it's flattering on our skin tone.
And like our outfits are almost all golds and
Gold,
silvers.
silver, bronze, that's all we get. And that's all we like actually.
I know. Anyways guys, the fourth one, it's her turn.
My turn. She doesn't want me to do it. I should just leave. Like,
Is
I
it
just get
yours?
it.
Yeah, it's Nirmal's turn.
So another favorite of mine is by The Balm, and it's Nude Toot. Again, it has neutral to shimmery eye shades. Pretty nice colors. I like the black and brown that this has. They're super pigmented, really good for smoky eyes, and it has some amazing highlight colors like Sassy and Standoffish. They look really nice. It comes with a brush also, which I don't use, but it's really good, the palette itself.
Also, when I got the balm at my salon, she was the first one to tell me that, do you have this eyeshadow palette and do you have that? And I used to ask her, do you use the balm really? She said, yeah man. The eyeshadow palettes, the lipsticks are really nice, and that's when I actually started. I did have some products but not eyeshadow palette, but I'm glad that I bought some because they're really nice.
Yeah, because all we used to use was Mary Lou, Berry Lou.
Urban Decay Naked palettes. Remember? Our early days was just naked one.
Isn't it weird how like we don't have a single naked on our table right now?
They're
I
good.
don't mean naked literally, I mean the palettes, the eyeshadow palette. But I think they've changed their formula because
They
they
have.
don't feel the same.
The Vice 3 and Vice 4 really disappointed
They're
me.
very, I don't like them.
I don't like them, but I must
I like
say,
the electric palette, the urban
Yeah, it's
Decay.
really
And
nice.
their new palettes are nice. I'm not a fan of naked palettes anymore.
yeah.
I used to like them back in high school when I
But
was
the
a kid.
new ones, like we have one in our giveaway too.
Yeah, I
So-
like that one.
Yeah, I
because
like that one.
It has crazy colors, and
And-
I'm all about crazy
And I'm
colors.
still a fan of my naked one. I can see something similar on the table, which is I don't
should,
know
we,
what's
should we do it together?
Yeah, but what is yours? Mine is.
Mine is Morphe 35O.
Oh, same here.
Oh my
The
god.
most sought after, like the most wanted eyeshadow palette.
Also,
And-
they have come out with a new Morphe 35O, the shimmer one.
Really?
This is the matte one. Yeah, there's a new one which has shimmer in it. So all these colors have shimmer in it. So if you want that one, you can get those. But we have
Oh,
the
that's
matte
nice.
one right now.
One shade from my eyeshadow palette is broken, but anyways, we'll just show you. This is one eyeshadow palette which has lots of colors and all of them are really
All
nice.
of them are my favorite.
Yeah, but when I first got it, I thought, oh my god, they're all similar. Some browns look so similar, but when you apply it on your eyelid,
They're
they're really different. Yeah, some are warm, some are cool tones, some are more orange, some are less.
And what I like is it has all this range of burnt colors.
Yeah.
I am obsessed with burnt orange coral colors on my crease. I'm not a fan of black. She knows it.
Yeah,
She keeps
I
on
know.
telling me that. So this is my go-to eyeshadow palette. As you can see, I've probably like used most of these colors, and they're really nice. They're actually really nice, and we use it pretty often. Also, if you're traveling, this is the only eyeshadow
Perfect.
palette
I
you need
know.
to take because it has everything in it.
I might take my ABH one.
Yeah, because that's
mine.
compact and easier to carry around.
But this is really nice, and for the price that it comes
Yeah,
for,
they're cheap. They're cheaper than all these eyeshadow palettes by the way, and also their pigmentation is really nice.
Yeah.
Anybody who says they're bad, no, they're really good for the price to get them in.
so this is it, guys. These were our favorite eyeshadow palettes of all times for now. The list might change in a day or two or a year.
We'll
You
keep
never
you
know.
updated.
Yeah, and the time has come for yes.
Yay!
This is the first giveaway on our channel, and we're really excited to announce that this is sponsored by the Facebook page La Viva Glam, where you can order all the international makeup
Makeup brands
brands.
that are not available in Pakistan, you can order it from them. Also, she was generous enough to give us
Sponsor.
these few things for you guys. So, do you want to do yours or should I do it?
Do it.
Okay, so the first thing is Milani lip cream in Amore. It dries matte. It's pretty nice. I love this color. It's so pretty. Have you used them?
Yes, and they're amazing. Very underrated, but I love the brand.
Yeah.
So you are getting this lip cream in this giveaway also.
And you're getting Urban Decay Wendy's palette. Yay! And we can't swatch them or anything. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see it. It has some amazing colors.
Yeah.
They're so pretty.
They're so pretty. It's also very compact, and with the colors you get the amazing Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil, the
Yeah,
Glide-On one, and it's
Glide-On
black in
one.
color, so it's perfect for any eye look that you're doing.
It's so pretty.
And the highlight.
And the highlight of our giveaway
the highlight of the
is
giveaway.
Kylie Lip Kit. Oh my god, yes.
Even I don't have one.
We don't have Kylie Lip Kits. I'm
You
sorry.
guys are getting the Kylie lip kit in this giveaway.
They're always sold out and they're really expensive in Pakistan also. This is True Brown K. I really wanted to try it. So did she, because we like such colors.
Yeah.
And also, I need to get my hands on Kylie Lip Kit. You guys are lucky right now, really.
And in this you get a lip pencil plus a lip color.
Yeah.
So it's amazing. To win this giveaway, all you have to do is ask at least 10 of your friends to like and subscribe our channel and comment down below with your name.
Yeah.
If you don't understand the rules, Nirmal will explain
I
the rules
will
again.
expand the rules and explain you. Basically, what you have to do is you have to like and subscribe. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Make your friends watch our video. They have to subscribe to our channel. And in this video, in the comment section, they have to write your name, whoever sent them. And we need at least 10 people. We need 10 people to write your name in order for you to win this giveaway. It's pretty easy. Also, if they're writing your name or whatever, you have to DM us on Instagram, Snapchat us, or you can even Facebook us so we can get in touch with you. Or you can just leave a comment down below and me or Sarah will contact you and we'll give you the giveaway.
It's simple.
It's
At
pretty
least
simple.
10 of your friends should comment down below with your name so that we know that who sent those people.
And this giveaway is open to everyone in Pakistan. Anywhere in Pakistan, we will ship this to you. So you can contact me or Sarah, either one. It's all cool, but you need to make sure 10 of your friends are commenting your name. Not their names, your name.
Yeah, actually it's quite confusing for some people. But anyways guys, I hope you understood the rules, and if you have any confusion, just check the comments section down
Or
below.
description,
People will be commenting with their friend's name, so you would know what this competition is all about. We wish you all the best, and I hope the most deserving person wins this challenge, wins this giveaway, and we hope the most deserving person wins this giveaway. For now, it's a bye-bye from both of us. Take care of yourself and keep on watching Pakistan Beauty TV.
Allah Hafiz.